Hey, what's up my good people, Jeff CarBuoy here. Today I'm going to show you all the fuse box location on Toyota Sienna, and this particular one is Toyota Sienna Hybrid, the 2024 version. So this one comes, there is one fuse box location that is in a very weird position, and I'm going to show you here in a little bit. So let's start by popping the hood. So right here, pop the hood like that. Again, if you're new to my channel, I want to invite you to subscribe and like this video if it's helpful, and let me know what you think on the comment section. Let me hook up this hood real quick. There we go. Now inside the engine compartment there is this fuse box. Well, this is air intake. On the driver's side right here, this is a fuse, and on the cover is a relays and fuse. I'm gonna pop using these two tabs right here. Here we go. That is a fast fuse box location right there, and you can see all the bunch of fuses and relays. Now, like I told you, one of the fuse box that is in a very weird position is this one here, sitting under the coolant tank. No, this is not coolant. This is I think this is a brake fluid. So it is sitting under there. Very weird position, but it also has some fuse and relays. Okay, so you're gonna have to unscrew this bolt right here to access it. On the back of the cover, this is where you find some fuse box fuse diagram. There we go, and this one will show you all the fuse information, the amperage and the functions, and then there is a fuse removing tool, and there is some spare fuses. To put the cover back, make sure you line up all the tabs. Once you line up the tab, you just press, it's going to lock in place. It's the same thing with this one. Has a tab right here and another one there, and I believe there is one right there. Okay, now the battery is not in this area, but I'll show you where the battery is just in case you want to jump start. And now for the next fuse box inside the cab, on the driver's side, you're gonna come all the way down. Once you come all the way down, you're gonna look up. Wow, 1 second. So looking up, you'll find this cover right here. To pop out this cover, I'm gonna start from there. Let me see. Start from this side. There we go. We got a whole bunch of fuses there, as you can see. It's in a very weird position. It is workable from here, but if you want to access more spot, you can remove this panel right here or this one, and then on the back of the cover you see the diagram right there. Okay, now to hook this cover back in place, you want to start with this side. Let's see, right here. Once you hook it up from the back there, because of one hand challenge, so this is how I did it. You hook up from this back here. Once you hook it up, you just press it and lock in place. Now those are the Those are the two fuse box location. Now let me show you where the battery is hiding on this vehicle. So you pop up the trunk, and it has a very big room inside the trunk right here, as you can see. So that's, you can see they got two panels this side, and it has this side. So come on the right side, you pop up this through these two tabs right here. There is one here and here, and you access the battery right there. See where the battery is? Yep, it's hiding all the way here. And probably might be curious, on this side it has a pocket. It has a pocket right here. We can put more stuff, but there is also a panel. Let's see what's hiding in there. Oh, we have emergency, look like an emergency kit. I'm not gonna dig into that, since this video purposely was to show you the battery location or the fuse box location, and I believe we have achieved that. For more videos, stay tuned, subscribe. This is man Jeff CarBuoy. I'll see you guys on the next video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up.